What's up? Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and as you can see by that thumbnail picture, I know exactly why you're here today. This is going to be my Halloween. This nails remind me like of a witch nails. So this is a video that I'm going to show you how to do a tutorial on step by step. So these are the nail tips that I'm going to be using today. These are my 2XL pointy nail tips or stiletto tips, whatever you choose to call it. And as you can see, these nails are pretty long, and this is full cover nails because I am going to be making these into press-on nails. So what I'm going to start off doing is I'm going to take my D&D polish, and I'm going to use that green color. I'm going to take my Rosalind gel polish as well, and I'm going to take that in the green shade as well. And as you can see, I already put the nail tips on my nail stand, and I already measured those tips ahead of time, so that's why I skipped that step and I didn't show that. So what I did was I mixed those two gel polishes together, the Rosalind green gel polish and my D&D gel polish, because I wanted to get this in between like olive green color, so that's why I decided to mix those two colors together, and I'm glad I did that because it gave me this perfect green color that I was looking for this nail set. I didn't want to go too dark with this green color, so that's why I decided to mix them together. I did add a little bit of white as well to this gel polish, but I did add just slightly a little bit. So what I'm doing is here, I'm just taking that color and I'm just going to be brushing it all. This is going to be the base color for all of my nails. So as you can see, I'm just going to go one by one, and I'm just going to add this green gel polish into my UV lamp for 60 seconds to cure and dry, so I can continue on with the next steps. But again, like I said before, I didn't say it before in this video, but welcome to my Halloween series. It is October. I'm excited about Halloween, and you guys are going to see a lot of Halloween nail sets tutorials here on my channel for the month of Halloween. I hope you guys are really into Halloween and having fun and just doing fun creative nail sets. That's what I'm here to do here on this channel, and to show you guys step by step how to get these certain nail looks as well, if anybody's curious on how to create certain nail looks. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning into another one of my videos. And if you are new here, if you are new here, thank you for tuning into my channel, and I hope you like what you see here and become a subscriber. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel as well. And also don't forget to hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload my weekly videos here on my channel. So I don't have a certain day that I upload on my channel, but I try to I'm trying to get back into uploading at least twice a week here on this channel. And this is the finished product as far as me just putting the gel polish all over all of these nails. This first thumbnail, it looked to me to be a little bit too sheer, so I did want to go in with another coat of that gel polish before I cured them in my UV lamp. And like I said, this is how they look, and I'm going to put these in the lamp to let it dry. So now we're back. This is the Beautystudiobookings gel polish, and this is in the shade black. So what I'm doing with this gel polish, I'm just going to take my my little nail palette, and I'm just going to be adding some of that black gel polish onto that palette so I can be able to work with that color instead of trying to go in and out of that big bottle. It's just easy for me to dip in and out with my brush. So this is the brush that I'm going to be using today. This is like a medium liner brush that I'm going to be using today. And what I'm doing here with this black liner brush is I am trying to create a shape of a finger with this black outline. So I'm trying to create a finger shape with that black outline. So the black is supposed to be like the negative space around, and the green part is supposed to actually be the witch finger. So that was my thought process when I was creating this nail, and why I decided to do the outline of black on the nails. And the reason why I did not go all the way down to the tip of this nail with my black gel polish is because the tip of this nail, as you can see by the thumbnail, is going to be red, because that is going to be the witch's nail. So that's why I did not go all the way down and bring that all the way down. And what I was trying to do while I was painting this nail, the black on the nail, to try to give it that finger shape, I was trying to match it up with the opposite side as well, so they are even on both sides. So be mindful of that as well. And I felt like I could have taken this black shade up a little bit more, but it worked out well for me, and I'm just showing you guys a close-up of that and how it looks. And I did go ahead and put that first nail into my UV lamp, and it's just going to cure. So what I'm going to do for the rest of the nails is I'm going to just continue this step. I'm going to go in with that black gel polish again, excuse me. This gel polish is by Beetles gel polish, and I did get this gel polish from Amazon. It's very affordable, and they work really, really good. And as you can see, these gel polishes are very, very, very pigmented, so you don't have to worry about going in with too many coats of this gel polish, because this gel polish is really, really thick and it really gives off that color. So like I said, I'm just gonna be continuing on. Oh, if anybody's wondering, I did get this liner brush from Amazon as well. I believe that this liner brush came in a pack of 7 to 10 other brushes, and I really like this brush because as you can see, it's really getting that straight line effect that I really wanted. So that's why I really like using this brush. It is the medium length. I'm not sure of the exact length of this brush, but it was like a medium length compared to the other brushes in my nail brush set. And also what I like about these brushes that I'm using now is because it's one side has a liner brush, as you can see here. The tips are liner brushes ranging from small, medium, up into large in different lengths and different sizes, but they are all liner brushes, but just different lengths, like I said before. So you can create your different nail art designs. But what I do like about these nail brushes is that they all have a different size dotting tool on the opposite end of this liner brush. So that makes it convenient for me. When I purchased these brushes, I thought that was great, because you basically get a 2-in-1, because when you're doing your nail art, you do use the brush side, and then when you want to use your dotting tool, you don't have to go in with a whole nother set of brushes. You can just use the same brush. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking that nail, and what I'm trying to do with these small lines is I'm trying to create that wrinkle effect on the nail. So I'm trying to mimic a finger and how a finger looks. So I'm trying to draw random lines again to create that wrinkle effect of someone's skin. Again, this is supposed to be a finger, so that's why I'm trying to mimic as best as I can. I'm not flooding that brush too much with that, filling it up too much with that gel polish, just putting a light thin layer of that black gel polish onto the nail, because I wanted it to be thin. I didn't want it to be thick and really prominent. I wanted it to be very thin, noticeable, but also not too overtaken and not too thick on the nail. So I am going to be putting that nail into my UV lamp again to cure for 60 seconds. And throughout the video, you are going to see me go back and forth with each of these nails, and I am going to just be continuing. After I finish one nail, I'm just going to put it in the lamp, let it dry, and then move on to the next nail with the next step for the next nail. That's how I like to do it, because it saves me a lot of time than waiting for that nail inside of the lamp to dry and then continue on with that one. I just continue on with the sets. So I wanted to know what you guys think of this nail set here. This nail set is inspired by a Instagram artist, a Instagram nail tech, excuse me. I did see this set of nails on this excuse me, I did see a set of nails that look similar to these on Instagram. So that is where I got my inspiration from. And I apologize because I do not have that person's name. But if anybody is familiar with the artist that created this design set, please be sure to tag them. I am in no way, shape, or form trying to take credit for creating this design. It's just that something I seen, and I just wanted to really recreate that look because it reminds me of, you know, just Halloween, and it looked like a fun set to just recreate. And I always like to give credit to any artist that I am inspired by and doing a recreation of their sets, because you know they work so hard to create different sets and to create different looks, and I just want to give them full credit basically. So again, this is a set of nails inspired by an Instagram artist that I seen create these same set of nails. I just wanted to do a recreation because I really love this Halloween set, and I just wanted to showcase it here on YouTube to show you guys how easy it is to create this set of nails. I always say I have fun creating all these nails because I really do. I enjoy doing different looks and different designs, different shapes, different sizes, and different nail arts. So that I'm gonna showcase all of that here on my channel. So if that is something that you are interested in seeing, you know, me making press-on nails, me just doing creative sets just for content. Again, I said before in another video that I want to incorporate pedicures, manicures, and me doing actual full sets on my clients. I do have clients, but I don't really record my clients all of the time. Sometimes I don't want to, you know, set up the camera and do that whole thing. So I just get into the sets and I just take pictures after. But I think that for content purposes, I should start recording some of my clients that I do get and just record the process and post it here. I think that you guys will be interested in seeing me do full sets. So let me know down in the comment section below if that is something that you guys are interested in. So here's how the nails look after I have did all the nail art on it, and I'm going in with that Beetles red gel polish, and I'm going to be using this gel polish just on a tip of each of these nails because I am going to create the effect of a nail. So I'm going to be painting only the tips again, only underneath the line that I created there, just to create that fingernail effect, a red pointy witch fingernail effect. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And as you can see, this gel polish is very thick. This is just a close-up of how that looks with that red gel polish and just how that nail is coming along so far. So again, I'm just going to repeat the process for each of these nails. I'm just going to paint the tip of each of these nails red to, again, mimic a red fingernail, a red pointy fingernail. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are interested in seeing more Halloween fun. Are you excited as much as me? I am trying to grow this channel to gain some more subscribers who take a love in who has a love for nail art and just everything nails. And I'm also getting my practice with creating each of these sets as well. So I'm also learning as I am going along, and also just filling you guys in on things that I learned along the way. That's why I post here on my channel. And if there is any sets of Halloween nails that you guys are interested in and want me to create here on my channel, just leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to make a dedicated video to that nail set. I have nothing but time but to, you know, create these sets. I have a lot of fun creating these sets, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun watching me create these sets, and just a lot of fun just watching my videos in general. And if you are new here, I will hope that after you finish seeing this video, to go check out some of my other videos that I have posted here on my channel. I have a lot of different creative sets that I have here. I do have a couple of Halloween sets that I have already created before, and this is how the nails look after I finish painting the tips. I did put it in my UV lamp for 60 seconds. This is the Model 1's matte top coat. So I wanted these nails to be matte and give that dry witch look and feel. So I am going in with that with that Model 1's matte top coat, and I'm only going to be painting over the part that is supposed to be the finger. I am not going to be painting the tips of each of these nails, which has that red gel polish. I'm not going to paint over that one, over that area, because I did not want the red nails to be matte. I just wanted the finger to be matte, to give that matte effect. So as you can see, I'm just going to be painting all of these nails, and after I finish painting each of these nails with this matte top coat, then I'm going to be placing it back into my UV lamp to let it cure and dry for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to continue on with the tips of these nails, which is the red part. So I have so many fun creative sets coming soon on my channel. I just hope that you guys stay tuned on my channel to see more of my creative Halloween sets. So this is a gel top coat that I'm going to be using. This is a shiny gel top coat, and I'm just going to be using that just to paint the tips of each of these nails, because I wanted the tips of the nails to be shiny. I didn't want it to be matte, so I wanted those tips of the nails to really stand out. So that's why I put that top coat on there. This is the finished look of my nails. Let me know what you guys think. And also, don't forget again to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I upload my new videos, and connect with me on my social media platforms as well. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.